Welcome back to BrookeNJake Make, where I'm not Brooke.
And I'm not Jake.
Today, we're pumping. We're pumpkin carving. Pumpkin. Welcome back to BrookeNJake Make, where I'm not Brooke.
And I'm not Jake.
Today, we are going to carve us some pumpkins, just like everybody else on YouTube. But we are going to do it so much more...
terribly.
Plain? I have no idea for my pumpkin, but we bought these little nifty books that aren't out here. That
I forgot them.
They come with pumpkin carving tools. Pumpkin carving tools.
We bought like the kids' pumpkin carving tool sets.
Because we're adults. We can handle this. Got it.
We're college graduates.
Brooke drew out a design for hers, which I think was probably the way to go. She maybe even should have like printed it off.
No, I'm gonna sketch it.
Oh, you're gonna draw on your pumpkin?
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna freehand my pumpkin and see what happens. But
Also,
if I do it this way, it already has a face, so like half my work could be done. But I picked this pumpkin for a reason.
Yeah.
Her pumpkin is smooth and has the nice defined lines. Mine is smooth and has nice defined lines, but it also has warts everywhere. So I'm gonna be able to use that in my build. In my carve. But I'm gonna make mine amazing. You wanna know how?
How?
Double, toil and trouble, fire burn and cauldron bubble! Okay, so we just opened up our tools. Brooke decided that she's not gonna use her book since she already has an idea. I say, you know what? I mean, it's gonna help me try to win this. Oh wait.
Is it a competition?
It's not a competition. Let's open them up.
Yeah.
Alright, well she's beasting it. I'm just gonna use this little guy. No, I don't understand what the point of this is for.
I don't know what that thing is for. I've really never carved a pumpkin. I mean, I did when I was little, but it wasn't like... I didn't do a whole lot of the carving, I feel like. I think my dad did. So yeah, I don't really know what all the other tools are for. Dang it. I keep poking it. Haha! I win! Ooh, look at those guts.
I think I'm really pleased with them.
Yeah,
Like,
I am too.
Overall, I say I had fun kind of freehanding mine
Yeah.
and taking a guess, and I saw what you could do with the eyes and different things like that. So I wanted to try something, but I agree with you going one eye less.
Yeah.
One eye less. Eye less. Was a good call.
Yeah, it looks cool. It looks creepy.
I like your double side.
I do.
Because you can change it for whatever kind of mood or feel.
Right.
But I love your cat.
I like the cat a lot.
The cat is good.
It's so cool. The Cheshire cat is very cool looking.
Yeah.
Hopefully it comes across that it's like an invisible tail. That's like, not an invisible tail, but it's like disappearing as he's disappearing.
No, it's really good.
Yeah.
I think you did very well. I think I had a valiant effort.
I think you did a good job.
I mean, for going for a face. So,
right.
Truthfully, I told you this off camera, but I don't really know the last time I carved a pumpkin.
I have no idea when the last time I carved a pumpkin was.
Let alone not used a picture and just carved from the
right?
picture. So it was really fun, and it kind of actually makes me look forward to doing it every year.
Every year? Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. I just talked down my pumpkin. My pumpkin is probably 100% better than her pumpkin.
Oh, no, mine's better.
Just saying. Totally forgot this was competition.
Mine's totally better.
Let's be real here. Mine has character in that I carved things. Not just out, but into it. I carved skin away.
Etch. That's true.
It's not an etch-a-sketch. Don't talk it down. Larry is an important
Larry?
Well, it was supposed to be a witch. Or, I mean, no, it was always supposed to be Larry. What's your cat's name, huh? See, she didn't even have a cat name ready.
Didn't have a cat name ready. Well, that's our build/make for today, or this week. I'm sorry, it's kind of a shorter video. It's probably not going to be very long, but it was fun. It was quick and easy for us to do. And
it
we
was
had a good time
something
making
that
it.
made us happy every
day.
single day.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye!
Boil and toil and trouble and rubble. Make this pumpkin something grand. Double, double, toil and trouble.
Double, double, toil and trouble.
Fire, burn, and cauldron bubble. Double, 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 boil and trouble. Something toil. Double, double, toil and trouble.
Cauldron. Dang it!